Hey friends. All right, today we are going to read Tough Trucks. And this book is written by Tony Mitton and Aunt Parker. They're the authors of the story. Let's see what the back says, friends. So let's see what we're going to read about. So the back of the book says trucks are tough and sturdy. They take on heavy loads, then thunder on their giant tires down long and busy roads. Rumble down the road with a team of chirpy animal truckers in this lively picture book. Zippy wordplay zappy art plus a helpful picture dictionary make learning about trucks fun. All right, so I think we are going to learn all about trucks. What do you think? All right, let's see. Tough trucks. Trucks are tough and sturdy. They take on heavy loads, then thunder on their giant tires down long and busy roads. All trucks have a cab up front. The driver sits inside. The truck's controls are all around, ready for the ride. The driver starts the engine and, when the way is clear, accelerates along the road and turns the wheel to steer. Some truck cabs have a bunk bed, a curtain, and a light to make a tiny bedroom where the driver sleeps at night. A big rig has a semi-trailer fitted with a pin. Its tractor unit has a slot to click the trailer in. So when the rig is traveling on roads that weave and wend, the separate parts turn one by one to get around a bend. A garbage truck collects the trash, grumbling down the street. It lifts the cans and empties them to keep things clean and neat. A concrete mixer stirs its load while traveling to the site. The foreman points, "Just pour it here. We're ready now, all right?" The piston on a dump truck can push to tilt it up. We're just about to tip some rubble. Ready, steady, help. A tanker carries liquids, so it's sealed up good and tight. This shiny tanker's full of milk, all creamy, cool, and white. When traveling long distances, you're on the road alone, so drivers keep in touch by CB radio or phone. This truck has had a breakdown, but the driver didn't panic. He radioed around and found a handy truck mechanic. Driving trucks is tiring, but you need to be awake. So drivers park at truck stops for a meal or a break. But look, we've reached the depot. We've made another run. The forklift starts unloading, and the foreman shouts, "Well done!" The end. And then here at the end, friends, look, it has the truck parts that we learned about. So this is the tractor trailer. So it has, it's called a semi or a big rig. Oh, this is a tractor trailer. This is the semi-trailer. So it holds all of whatever the truck is carrying or delivering. And the tractor, so it pulls the trailer. The cab, that's where the driver sits. Here's a CB radio so that they can talk to other drivers. And a piston. So this is a strong pump that pushes up the back of a dump truck to help it tip its load. So it has to lift up the big trailer. All right. So friends, you can look on your asynchronous learning chart because we are going to do a journal on the trucks that we just learned about, okay? All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, friends.